Let's admit this. We all appreciate a good watch exploring the dark reality and ugly truths of social media and the technology as a whole. Realizing and introspecting ourselves after watching that it may be happening to us becomes more scary. But chances are more that movies which shows you all this will make you think, or at least once considering those things about privacy and data that you never gave a thought about. Hey guys, this is Animesh, and today after recently trending documentary The Social Dilemma, we'll be reviewing and discussing on 5 movies that may be disturbing to you that shows the ugly side of social media and the internet. So without wasting any much of your time, let's get started. Starting with our own Indian show at number 5, Jamtara. Based on clever phishing scams that are so common in our country that you may also have experienced it once or twice in your lifetime, Jamtara unearths a whole process and fills it with intense narration. 2 cousins who run a phishing scam at Jamtara and make tons of profit out of it. One day a news piece on them blows up the whole network. To think it gets over with police catching them is far away from considering for you as an audience, as a local politician takes them under his protection in order to earn an extra bit out of the business. Dropping at number 4, Searching. In today's era of technology, if you go off from social media platforms, you're as good as not existing. In the movie, John Cho as David Kim fails to get in touch with his 16-year-old daughter after she goes missing from her friend's place. After reporting her missing, eventually David decides to investigate his daughter's laptop and starts chatting with her friends on Facebook in hope of getting answers. In this process, he comes across her daughter's secrets which may shake his world down. The best part about the movie, which I found very unique, is that the entire movie is portrayed through smart devices and social media applications to show its true impacts in our lives. Reigning at number 3, The Great Hack. In 2018, Cambridge Analytica was in news for all wrong reasons. This data company came into the controversial spotlight for gathering personal information and breaching the privacy of its millions of Facebook users without their permission. Closing in at number 2 with one of my favorite conceptual movie based on true events, Snowden. Joseph Levitt plays the infamous Edward Snowden in this brilliantly portrayed biopic. Disappointed with the motive of US intelligence agency, Edward quits the NSA when he discovers huge amount of data being accumulated to trace all forms of digital information on the internet. The information including foreign governments, terrorist organizations, but the most importantly concerned American citizens. After knowing this all, he decides to be a whistleblower and to tell this to the world at the cost of his safety and freedom. In the process, as people are shocked to learn the true intentions of the government, Edward is titled as a traitor by the government. Recently released at number 1, The Social Dilemma. This documentary highlights the toxic impact of social media on us. In the documentary, from various social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, different operational department representatives like marketing, monetization, public relation, and data analysts come and they tell us that manipulation of human behavior for monetary profits is coded into these platforms intentionally with good accuracy. Infinite scrolling and push notification keeps user constantly engaged. Recommendations are fed not just for predicting but for influencing our internet-based actions, making the user into the means of profit for advertisers and propagandists. You can understand the addictiveness of these platforms and the internet as a whole that Steve Jobs in one of his conferences back in 2011 said that he doesn't allow his children to use iPads. So from this you can get an idea about how much of a time killer and addictive is the social media and our smartphones. In the end, The Social Dilemma is really effective in acting as an alarm or a wake-up call about the use of data mining and manipulative practices of social media platforms in our lives and beyond. So guys, that was it for today. Hope you liked the video. If you relate with my work, do give this video a big fat thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe and ring that notification bell icon so that you can never miss a video from my side. Till then, this was Animesh signing off. Have a great day ahead. Peace out.